using YouTube with your Blackboard course. So by now you've probably seen a video on YouTube, and you've probably, if you're an instructor, have used a video from that to supplement or to in addition to the content in your lectures. But another really good use of YouTube is actually the captions editor. And we'll go over in this video how to upload a YouTube and then caption it. So let's go ahead, and here I am logged into YouTube already. You can see my name up there, and I'll click on upload to upload a video. And there's this area here where you could just click and drag, and I have this video in my computer, so I'll just go ahead and click and drag that into that square or rectangle box. And so it's uploading right now, and while that's going, I'll go ahead and start filling in some of this information. So here under sharing, I'm going to put unlisted, and that means that people can't search for the video, and it won't pop up in those recommended videos that come up once you've played after you've played a video. And that's just for my own personal preference. If you want your video to be public and be shared across all users, that's up to you. This way I can just share the link, and anybody who has the link will be able to see it. This is part of a series of videos, so I'll go ahead and add that to a playlist by going here. And so now you see that the processing has been completed. The video has been uploaded, and I have a couple of 3 bad thumbnails to choose from. You can upload, I believe you can upload your own custom one, but I mean, I'm not terribly picky, so I'll just pick the least worst of these photos. And I'll go ahead and select done. And now the video is ready, and we'll go over to this link.
Congratulations on making it to the final module of our training course.
Great. So now it's working, but you can see we still have to work on the captions. So there are a couple of different ways to get to the caption editor. And from here, from the video itself, once you're logged in, you can click on captions. You can also go to, sometimes this isn't always available, you can always go to Video Manager right here, or you can click on your name up here and access Video Manager that way. So a couple of different ways to get to the same place. And once you're there, you'll see that these are the other videos that I have, and you'll see that they're done. They have captions already in them, and we'll go ahead and work on this one. I'll click edit, and it'll bring us to this area, this editing area, and I can edit other info and settings here, but really I just want to go straight to the captions. And this is where we can add captions, and there are a couple of different ways, 3 different ways to do that. One is to transcribe and sync directly in YouTube, which is actually very cool, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. The other way is to upload 2 different files. So we can upload what's called an SRT file, which is a transcript plus the time code. So the time code, it basically syncs, it knows when to sync the captions. Or you can upload just a basic transcript file, and YouTube will sync it for you. So first we'll go ahead and I'll show you Transcribe and Sync, because that's actually, I really like this feature. This is an improvement that they've made recently, and I think it's great. You can type in your transcript as you view the video, and you'll notice that when I stop typing, the video, well, when I start typing, the video will pause to allow me to catch up. And then when I stop typing, the video will come back on again. So I don't have to like press pause or press anything else. I just have to let the video play. It's a really nice, seamless way to transcribe a video. And for quick videos like this one here, I think it's about 40 seconds. It's great. You don't have to do anything too complicated, and it works out just right. And what you want to do if you want to rewind the video is you can grab your mouse and click here, or if you're already typing, which I like to just use the keyboard when I'm typing a transcript, I can hit shift and then the left arrow key to rewind about 5 seconds. So I'll go ahead and start now and show you how this works.
Congratulations on making it to the
So as soon as I start typing, the video pauses, and when I stop typing, the video resumes. So I'm not having to press anything to rewind or pause the video. I can just keep typing and pause to hear it as I go. So that's how you type out a transcript for your video. And this, again, this is good if it's something short that you can manage. And I'm a pretty fast typist, so this is a good way for me to add a transcript to a video. I'll go ahead and press on sync, and now the transcript is in process. So you have a track already here for automatic captions, and if you've seen automatic captions before, they're a little bit funny because they're it's speech to text, and it's not a perfect system, but it tries. So what we're gonna do is just select this, and you'll see that you have the ability here. If you missed a word or if you need to change the pacing, you can do that here. This just allows you to fine tune the rest of your transcript. But I think everything looks okay, and if I press play on the video, you'll see that it comes up.
Congratulations on making it to the final module of our training course.
Let's go back to track list or to captions. If we wanted to add a file instead of typing it out, say you have an hour-long video that you want to add captions to, then if you had a script that you were working from, you could upload that. So go to upload file, and it's going to be English track, and then upload. And then here I have a transcript in a TXT format. That's just the notepad that comes with your Windows PC. The equivalent application in Mac is TextEdit. So I'll go ahead and upload that transcript in the TXT file. I'll overwrite this, so it says there's already one for English because that's the one that we just created. So I'm just going to overwrite it for demonstration purposes. And so now it's syncing. So you're not even having to do any of the syncing for this one. It's just going to try and do it for you. But if it does miss at some points, you can click on it and fine tune it. And so we'll play that just to see.
Congratulations on making it to the final module of our training.
Great, it looks like it's doing well. Let's see.
Here, in getting your course ready.
Yeah, so the timing is pretty good on this one, and YouTube does that syncing for you, which is great. And then we'll upload another file, and this one will be the SRT file. And again, these are ones where the time code is already in them, and we'll overwrite it. And the time code is really helpful to just sync the caption, so we didn't even have to wait for it to sync because of those time codes. That's how you upload those files. Pretty straightforward. And then now what you can do is I'm going to click on the title to go to the video, and what I want to do is go to share down here to get the embed code, and I'm going to copy that. And the video size, I'll leave it at 640 to 360. Whoever sees it will have the ability to do full screen. So I'm going to go here to Blackboard. I'm going to go into my demo course, and wherever you want your video to be, if you have a folder called videos, or if you have it's going to be in a learning module, go to that place. And I'm just going to put it here in the home page for now. I'm going to go to build content and then item, and then I'm going to use this visual editor to paste it. So I'm going to click on HTML and paste. All right, and that embed code has been pasted. I'll update it, and I'll give it a title really quick. Scroll down and submit. And now that video should be right here, and when you play it, you'll have the captions and everything ready. And another way that you can use YouTube in your course is using a tool in the visual editor called the Video Anywhere. And I'll show you that by adding an item here. So going to build item, or build content, and then item. Let's give this a title really quick. And here, if you see, if the visual editor doesn't expand automatically for you, just click the chevron right here. Sometimes it'll open up and it's just this one row. So you'll want to click on that to expand it to the full list of tools that's available to you. And then there's this icon here with a red dot in it that says record from webcam. And I have a webcam set up on my desktop. Typically most laptops have a webcam already installed. So all you'll need to do is click that video or click that icon, and you'll need to sign into YouTube. So you'll definitely need a YouTube or Google account to continue. And then I'm gonna grant access. So I exited out of that because we're seeing some bugs in this record from webcam right now. But if I go back into it, press record from webcam, the video should now start coming up. Let's see, allow, close. Oh, here we go. So I'll click yes. This is my webcam saying, do you want this camera to launch? So I'll just say yes, and I'll click out of here. And then it'll say this website, Blackboard, sdccd.blackboard.com, would like to use your webcam to upload to YouTube, and you'll just want to say okay. And when the Adobe Flash Player settings comes up, go ahead and allow. I'll click remember and then close. And you'll see this is me recording to you right now. I'm bent over because I'm trying to speak into my mic, but that's me. So I'll go ahead and stop recording and upload, and I'll leave it as play in place and then insert, and I'll type in a title and go ahead and submit. And so hopefully that video is right here. So that's me, and this is usually a good feature to use, say, for introductory discussion board posts, because I'll show you in the discussions where I've put in a video that also says hello, welcome, and this is a good way for students to kind of get familiar with the technology too, in case it comes up again in the course somewhere else. There's my video introduction right here. So it's nice because it embeds the video directly into the post itself, so that when you want to play it, you just press play and you're not having to go to YouTube.
My name is Paula, and this is my first video introduction for our discussion board on introductions.
Hopefully you can find some cool things to do with that. Adding that a little bit of presence and getting to see somebody's face and their voice is really nice for creating communities in your online courses. So those are a couple of the ways that you can use YouTube in your course, using it for captions and using it for Video Anywhere webcam videos. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us here at SDCCD Online. Thanks.